Hey guys, it's Mochibi Maxon again, and welcome to video number 3 under CMD programming. And in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to make this simple program where it asks you what's your name. When you put in your name, it shows it, and then when you press any key it does the same thing over and over again. I'll type in blah blah, press enter. It does the same thing over and over again. So let's get down to it. I'm going to delete all of this and show you from scratch, explaining line by line. So just remove this and save this, show you that it can't run because it has no commands. So first you're gonna write this echo off because we wouldn't like for the users to see our source code, and press save. Now it should run, but since it has no commands, as soon as it runs and executes this command it exits. So now we'll give it the title, give it CMD 2.0. You can give it any name you want, color, my color, favorite color, and now press save, show you the progress. As you can see, still does the same thing. Let's just make some space here. Let me first create a function. I'll explain this later, because if I explain it right now you won't get it. Let's press enter, just give some space here. And in CMD, to set a value, it's called setting a variable, getting the user input and then putting it in a variable. So first you should write this command, set /p, then the name of the variable you want. You can put here anything you like. You can put name, and whatever you want, as long as it's a valid letter or number. You can even use 1, whatever you want. So name, then equals, then the text to write here is what is going to be shown. So you want to show what's your name, your name, question mark, and then put some space. And now to echo out the name of the user that he has put in or she has put in, just write echo, then 2 percentage signs, and then write in the name of the variable. If you used n, you should put in n. If you used 1, you should put in 1. But since we used name, we are putting in name here. So now should run, put echo for some space, then write pause so that we can see when the name is echoed out. So just press save and run it. As you can see, it says what's your name. When it runs for the first time, it executes this command first so that it takes off so that it puts echo off, so that all the commands that you put in are not echoed out. Then the title, it sets the title of the window. Then the color, it sets the color. Then it runs this function which I'm going to explain. Then echo makes this space, then sets the name at what's your name. So it's currently on this line of code. It has not run these ones yet. You have to first get past this for it to run these ones. So now I'm going to put in press enter, and when I press enter it runs this one, makes some space, then echo, it echoes out the name here, and then echo dot, it makes this space, then it runs this program. It runs this code. The pause, it pauses and waits for a key throw. Now if I change this variable and make it n, which I don't have any variable called n here. So if I choose that one, press enter, the program is going to quit. it's going to fail since it doesn't know that. You see what it shows echo. Echo is off because we've put a value but that doesn't exist. So then it runs this command, makes a pause. So now if we put back our name, and press enter, wait, if we put our name, press enter, it should run perfectly. And in the next wait, I'd forgotten to show you how it used to do this. Now explaining this function, this is a bit of tricky but simple when you get a hang of it, and very useful. One of the most useful functions of batch file. These functions here, you can even create a pointer to mark that line. So now simply write go to start. Now I guess this gives you a basic understanding of what this means. Any text that you write after these two dots it's like creating a point where you can go back, because if I write go to start, it goes to the function called start. Now if I had another function here called exit, first create a function called exit, and called exit, it will just exit after it reaches here. Now when I call start, let me first show you. When I call start and say go to start, it means that after executing all of this code, you should go to a function called start. Now I have a function called start here. Now if I change this to exit, it means that after running all of this code, go to a command called exit, to the function called exit. That means it will go here. So now if I run this and put in my name, press enter and then press it again, it should come and show this one and run the same code again. Now if I call start, it goes and runs the same code again and again and again. It will be in an infinite loop. It will do the same thing over and over and over and over and over again, because it will be running this start, then echoing, you putting the test, echoing it out, pausing, then going back to start again and again and again. Now if I change this to exit, the program will exit after I put in the text. Now if I press enter, continue, it's going to exit. And that's what a function is in byte file programming, and this is very useful. In the future tutorials, we're going to be using it to make very great programs, like programs that could make flowing matrix, like random numbers flowing and all that cool stuff, writing the result of a user's username to a text file on our hard disk, all that stuff. But simply have to first get the basic understanding of these commands and what they all do. So if you didn't get anything or have a question, you can leave a comment down below. Thanks guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video.